Okay, so I'm really sorry I've tied my hair up. It is so hot. I cannot tell you.
Absolutely pretty, just the way you were. And बहुत गर्मी है. This is neat and Mumbai. But like I said, इसीलिए तो there is so much air in this house, which I was like, जब I think बारिश के मौसम में ये घर में ओहो हो, it
बहुत
must be
प्यारा लगता है.
amazing.
Actually ये घर है ना, सुबह भी अलग दिखता है और रात को भी अलग दिखता है. बहुत अलग.
Amazing. So like we said, बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, लेकिन अलग-अलग जगहों पे this beautiful house. तो let's go. हमारे साथ एंजल भी हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए आ रही है.
You want to come with mama? Oh.
ये देखो.
She's my 10-year-old बच्चा, हाँ. She's the youngest. But ऐसा कहा जाता है ना कि every 1 year of a dog is 7 years of a human being.
Yeah, absolutely.
So she's वैसे oldest है हमारे फैमिली में.
बहुत बहुत प्यारी है. एंजल प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए हमको लेके जा रही है घर के अंदर. एक और बहुत प्यारा सा कॉर्नर है which I would want to talk about because it's so cutely done. और ये जो पहला वाला सेक्शन था उससे बिल्कुल अलग वाइब है. Vibe of the house.
It was not intentional. It just so happened that it looks a little different from the other side of the living room. But yeah, I think this painting I love. I love this, and in fact. We had a beautiful red feature wall.
Yeah.
और उस feature wall पे ये बुद्धा का painting था. Now I am waiting for the monsoons to come and go for me to just do that again. So the next time you come, you'll have a red wall and my blue Buddha painting.
And ये पूरा जो wonderful balcony का space है, it must be so beautiful to just open the curtains.
Absolutely. Every morning the curtains are opened and I air my entire house because I think it's necessary to do that.
Is there a ritual that you have before leaving the house, like that you do?
I do. I have my Sai Baba's Udi and I always put Sai Baba's Udi on myself and everyone who comes home and when they leave, I put it on them and I say bye to them.
Alright, तो चलते हैं?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go to the other room.
So this is my dining area where we sit as a family and always have dinner. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, our 3 meals.
जी.
Lunch though is always weekends, but my husband and my daughter, they love to eat on the dining table.
Correct.
तो ये है हमारी बहुत ही खास जगह जहाँ पे हम बैठ के बातें करते हैं, अच्छा खाना खाते हैं और खाना जब अच्छा नहीं होता तो उसको क्रिटिसाइज भी करते हैं.
Of course.
मैं नहीं करती, लेकिन मेरे घर में जो है वो 2 अब एप्स और अनुष्का बहुत क्रिटिकल है खाने को लेके. This is our place of chit-chatting.
Wonderful. तो chit-chat के बाद पे थोड़ा हम भी बैठ के chit-chat करेंगे.
Absolutely.
In this beautiful, kind of wonderful.
So I have to tell you, Chum had gone to Nepal and she gifted me this thing.
So cute, yes.
And she said, Shilpa ma'am, this is for good luck. It's called something which I forget.
So lovely, na?
But she got this for me from Nepal when she had gone the last time.
Lovely. And this is also, I think, does it have a significance?
So this, yes, this actually my banker, Shreya, she's a family friend now.
Sure.
And when I came out of the house, she gifted me this gold hathi. So she said, ma'am, he good luck साठी असतं तर ह्याच position मध्ये ठेवा.
Oh, really?
So I said, okay.
You believe in all this?
Vastu and all
Vastu and all of that?
I don't dig deep into it, but yeah, I do believe in the logic of north, south,
energy?
East, west. And energies, of course.
ये भी travel से है, from what I'm assuming.
This is from Sri Lanka. Yes, this is from Sri Lanka. And जब हम लोग कोलंबो गए थे, तो हम लोगों ने वहाँ से ये लाया था. All these little crystals that you see are all my mom's because my mom used to love collecting crystals.
How lovely.
तो ये सारे मेरे मम्मी के prized possessions है.
So cute.
And which she gave it to me and it has also traveled with me everywhere and then it comes back. जब मैं कोई भी कंट्री छोड़ देती हूँ तो एक शिपमेंट आ जाती है और उस शिपमेंट में से सारी चीज़ें बाहर आ जाती हैं. तो थोड़ा करके जो जितना हो सके मैंने
You try to get stuff from there and come back. ये भी बहुत प्यारा है.
So this is Apresh with his work he travels a lot so he's picked this up. मैंने ये आज लगाया सुबह आप आ रही थी इसीलिए.
But it's cute.
तो मैंने कहा चलो आपकी वजह से ये लग गया.
I'm happy.
नहीं तो अंदर ही होता अभी तक या.
But I was pointing this out is also again you see फिर भी घर का जो ये theme है ना this wood addition of wooden things you have kept maybe unknown but I think Apresh because
he is very artistic actually. Apps is extremely artistic. and we didn't try to change a lot of things.
Yeah.
We just kind of added a few things. This was gifted to me by my sister.
Oh, is
This
it?
wall and this mirror and this console.
It's
And
so
yeah, and it's
Namrata clearly has very good taste.
Namrata's house is beautiful.
Yeah.
And she's really, really lovely with her collection of stuff.
Finally pictures दिखे मुझे. Yay! The family gang.
Yeah. This is I met Chum and Karan and Digvijay and Sandy with apps. We had this thing dinner.
It's over.
So yeah, Soho. So we went and clicked pictures because we couldn't click pictures otherwise.
Yeah,
So these
cute.
are those pictures, and this is my letter that my husband sent me. That was my last day at Big Boss house.
Ah, so cute.
So that's the letter that
cried
App
so
sent me, and the letter that Big Boss told me we had to leave. And this is the medal that Karan gave me.
Oh yeah.
So I've left.
This is that medal.
Yeah. So when it's still here. It's that
I
medal.
love it. I see how connected and you are. You know, memories are there.
Absolutely. And this is my Mata Sanman award, my first award after Big Boss.
I love it.
So yeah.
And little mirror to check out. This is the only little thing that I
No,
see
my
mirror here. Not
bedrooms,
too many.
my bedrooms have mirrors,
Sure.
but they're very. I don't like those big large size
Correct.
stuff. So yeah, it's nice only.
I love it. It's very cute. Alright, on that note, तो आपकी beautiful dining table पे बैठ के
Please, I'll make you coffee बाद में.
done. Coffee, I don't mind at
Okay,
all. And
done.
Shilpa ma'am के हाथ की coffee तो how can we mind? So
हाँ, उपमा नहीं बनाया इसलिए कॉफी दे रहा. Give me 5 on that.
give you 5 on that. Coffee से याद आया.
Oh God, no! मैं चाय बनाऊंगी चाय, green tea. नहीं, कॉफी तो नहीं बनाऊंगी. French press? You like a French press?
I don't mind a French press. Will you make a French press for me?
Sorry, you have to go to the Vivian de Sena for that. छोटे बेटे या बड़े बेटे के पास आप decide करो. मैं ही confuse हो गई हूँ. Whether बड़ा है कि
करण के घर में तो चिकन ही खाना पड़ेगा और मैं चिकन खाती हूँ.
अंडे भी मिलेंगे आपको करण के घर में.
You tell me, how does your breakfast, lunch and dinner right now looks like? Because as you see, Shilpa ma'am has gotten amazingly like a transformation, and you look so fantastic. You know what? You look fantastic even in the house, to be very honest. But
No, I did not look fantastic. When I saw my pictures when I entered the house, I didn't realize I used to look like that, just by the way, till I came out and I saw, oh my God, I actually looked like that then.
But I don't know, you still had great skin, you were still confident.
I'm just a confident person.
Yeah.
I'm a very happy person. And I think that is what is most required in everybody, immaterial of the color of your skin, the size of your body. It doesn't matter. You have to be happy. Yeah. And I am a very happy person. I laughed even then. Like when I was entering the house, I was laughing. When I came out of the house, I was laughing and I was half my size. So I think size does not matter.
Absolutely.
It shouldn't matter.
It should.
It shouldn't be the criteria for you to be happy or sad.
100%.
And I personally feel, if you have to take it from, you hear it from me, I think that, like, you know, everyone, आप हमेशा हंसती रहती हो. जब मैं enter किया था, I down 14 kilos since. So for me, if मैं तभी भी हंसती थी और मैं अभी भी हंस रही हूँ, there's a reason, right? Why I am like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's talk about how does your breakfast, dinner, lunches look with families, or you know, tell us about.
So I'll talk about myself first.
Sure.
So for me, I have a tendency to put on a lot of weight, and I love food. Okay, I realized after going into the Big Boss house that food is not the only important thing in life. So right now, if you ask me, I do not eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person.
Sure.
Anyways, so I like to skip my breakfast. I have a nice lunch. My lunch could mean chicken. Actually, I hate chicken, but fish. I love fish. So कोई भी fish आप मेरे को दे दो ना, कभी भी दे दो ना, 7 days a week, 24 hours, I will eat. Okay, I
like
love,
a true Maharashtrian.
हाँ, full. So I love my fish. So but my help that is there, Ganga, she doesn't cook. She only cooks dal, chawal, sabzi, like that.
मतलब वेजिटेरियन स्टाइल ज़्यादा cook
हाँ, तो मुझे ही बनाना पड़ता है, तो जब मुझे बोर हो जाता है ना तो फिर मैं बनाती नहीं, तो मैं बोली चल कुछ नहीं तो अंडे देते हैं, I'll have eggs like that.
करती हैं? Yeah.
So coming back, so my lunch is, if there is no non-veg, it's sabzi and rice.
Yeah. And what do you like in sabzi?
I'm not fond of dals also. I like all sabzis.
From not fond of dal?
No. I love all sabzis.
Okay.
I like that. I like karela. I like dudhi. I like beans. I like cauliflower. I like palaks. All the palaks. Lal mat, methi, palak, everything. I love food, yeah. I'm not fond of pulses. I like only matki. Have you ever had matki? Matki chi usad?
No, yeah. What is matki?
Okay, one day you come home for Marathi lunch.
I'm
I
coming.
will make
Listen.
Marathi lunch for you. I like
What
my
do you
veg.
think you make the best?
Me? I make very good mutton. So my husband is also a Maharashtrian,
Correct.
but he comes from I come from the Goa region, and my husband comes from the he's a Pathare Prabhu. He comes from Mumbai.
Okay.
So Pathare Prabhus have a very different way of cooking food. So they have a very special masala which is called the sambar masala. So when you put that masala in your food, now it's a game changer. And then for us, we make our mutton also very differently. Like we roast the cobra and all that for the mutton.
Correct.
अक्खा गरम मसाला डाल के पूरा रोस्ट करके we put it in our mutton. It's yum. So my husband is not fond of the coconut stuff.
अच्छा.
But luckily my daughter loves my prawn curry rice. I make good food. I actually make good food.